What's up guys, welcome back to brand new video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make by basically every single potion. I'm gonna say like every I'll show you. Like I have all the ingredients and I have like the cauldrons. So I'm going to be showing you how to make like kind of all, basically all. First starting off with large potion. So do that. So how to make a large potion? Get these two, and you get, oops, and you get the okay. See, once you drink it, you're big. So yeah. I'm now since I just did big, I'm gonna show you how to be small. First, I'm just gonna wait for. Oh, I have to fix that. Oh, I did not. This was okay. That's painted wrong, so I have to fix that. Okay, so it's basically the same things. This show my. It's this with a bone that should make tiny. Okay, nice. Small. And you go really fast. And you can like jump. I don't know. Next potion I want to make is slow falling and levitation. So, how to make levitation? These with this. And by the way, this map is barn. Yeah, you already know. It's so cool. How to get this, because it's usually closed. Go in the barn, and you see the Yeet plush chair, and that's all the clues I'm gonna give you. So like touch around at the Yeet plush chair. So, this is levitation potion. Drink it. Oh, up. Other potion will make it slow falling. This, this. So, these two and this. That should make slow falling. Yeah. Or you could just buy it, but it's not allowed here. So, you already have it. So falling, so you just jump and you slow fall it. It's really, really cool. Yeah. Yeah. So we have that. Speed potion. I think I know. I don't know. But I'm gonna make like full cotton potion. So it's these two with that. So now look, like this. Sorry if like not full cotton, but like so think it. You get cotton obviously. Get I just cotton and that. I'm gonna show you how to make darkness. Those two with dark. Oh wait, that's not darkness. My bad. This is so if something's like dark, like nighttime or something. So you drink this and like see everything like turned more bright. Like everything's brighter. Yeah. So I had to make darkness. Sorry, I'm pushing. Get those two with this. Okay, so this is darkness. Also, blindness. Go
Hey, I
in
remember
dark.
this map. I was in
Who's
this
here?
map.
Okay, other thing is, I don't know
If
how
someone
there's
gets a
people in here.
megalodon, can you tell me if you get a
Okay.
megalodon?
Everything turned dark. This would be so awesome for
Have
like,
you? I've actually got
what's it called? A board game. That'd be really awesome. Sure, I know a ton of people did.
Alright.
Okay, next potion is I'm gonna make strength.
And then I get a
So
cannon.
strength, I didn't know what it was. There should be strength. Yeah, okay. So, if you hit someone with a bat,
Yeah, I have cannon.
you go farther. So, I'm just going VIP room because there's bats in here.
Gotta buy this quick. Gotta buy this quick. Gotta buy this quick. Gotta buy this quick.
Should get VIP. Okay, hey guys. I'm making a video, so can I demonstrate something on you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, no way. Wait,
Okay.
you're the creator, right? I remember you.
Yeah, I'm the owner.
W. No, wait.
Come here.
Yes, I need this. I need this.
So this is, come here,
Where
guys.
did it go?
You.
Green one right there.
So,
What?
look,
Oh my
this
god,
is
yes.
what I mean. See,
Alright, I gotta wait.
do not
Oh my
be
god,
able
yes,
to
a
hit
legendary. Now keep
My bad.
that, alright?
Wait, come here.
Alright, dude.
I think it might have won.
I'm gonna wait for another legendary.
Yeah,
A
it won.
legendary?
Okay. But you hit people farther. My bad for breaking your guys' cannons.
Come here. Alright.
So that's how you make
I'm gonna show you something
strength.
that I don't think anyone
How to
knows
make.
about.
I'm not gonna make like the dumb ones like weakness or anything. What?
Whoa.
Oh, like I might make like a part 2 and like go search it out. Wait,
Unless I tell you to.
get these. I don't know what this makes, but I think it makes something.
Also, by the way, if you also hold legendary, you can actually get a grappler.
I know there's like a brown one.
Oh my god! Dude, I found
Oh,
an electric
that's
eel.
how you make haste. This is haste, I'm pretty sure. I stick drift, so this could be like, oh, it's not haste. Oh, speed. That's how you make speed.
It's gonna be like my little sword.
Yeah, that's how you make speed.
Oh my god, I love this game. Alright,
What? Oh, wait, I think if I do
Can you hold on
this,
to this again?
this it might make something.
Yeah. Alright, thanks. Follow me.
Yeah, okay, it did.
Come back over here
Brown.
again.
I don't know what brown does at all.
Alright, now inside.
Oh, I think this is weakness. I'm pretty sure this is weakness.
No! Oh, wait. Yeah, you like need keys. You need specific keys to get in anyways. It's alright.
Hey, you, stand still. Oh wait, come here. Or stay there, stay still.
That's the potion area.
Don't reset the map. Could you turn it back on?
Hello. Ooh, yes. Ooh, potions.
No, wait, don't do anything. Come here. I'm just testing if. Oh, wait. Don't hit
Ooh,
me.
what's up here? I haven't seen
Yeah,
this
okay.
yet.
So this is brown is
Oh my
weakness.
god, wait. It's actual, like.
Okay, brown is weakness. I'm gonna make
No
maybe
way. I got a
part
mushroom
2
fish.
about more, but for now, that's all the ones I really know.
Sweet. Sweet,
Yo,
a broom. Oh, I just
comment,
lost an orca.
like,
Yo, I got
Yeah,
the orca.
comment for like if you know any more, cause like so like the ones I know.
Alright.
Bye guys.